Hi everyone. In today's video, we will show you something astonishing that has been done by Kawasaki, which is, as you can see, a robot which is basically quadruped that can carry people around like you would imagine in the past horses did with human, but this is as a robot. What is amazing and astonishing is how this robot looks so similar to be an animal, let's say, and how can carry a person and how it is agile, probably even more than a quadruped. By the way, this robot is called Corleo and is a two-seater quadruped that you can steer with your body, capable of picking its way through rough terrain, thanks to the AI vision. As you know, the horses are quite cheeky. That they have a character. They can be cheeky. This is a horse. This is basically a robot that can totally command whatever you wish to do. It is 150 cc. It is it is a clean water as a combustion product from its clean burning. So it is water for its combustion. It's a hydrogen fueled generator engine. This has been promoted in the Osaka Kensei Expo, the 4th of April, and it has a very good resistance to impact, and it is designed to be fit for off-road and very hot environment. So it's actually very resistant. Here you can see how this the design of this robot, which looks quite to, I would say, not to a horse itself, but to an animal, to a quadruped that would carry you around. And the design is really polished and very good at carrying people. I will show you now a video of this robot as it was, and here you can see it in action. It's not this amazing. Is this really, fantastic? I hope you can see the way I can see in the screen how it is moving in a very fast way. By the way, this video is you can check for Kawasaki robot Corleo, and you can see yourself how this robot can run very fast. This is really a revolution. Even though I struggle to think that this type of robot will be bought by many people, it seems like a very promising way to transport people. Let me know in the comment if you think this could be something actually that could be used by people, and it's definitely something really fun, probably to use as a mean of transportation, like baby motorbike do right now. This seems like more something you could use in in your more fun to ride, let's say. By the way, this is a news that I want to share with you. What do you think about it? Look at the design, look how it is built. It's something really impressed me. Let me know in the comment. I hope this video was something interesting to you. Consider to subscribe the channel for more video like this, and like, comment the video, and see you in the next one.